3 bed, 3 bath, 1,567 square feet, 0.43 acre lot, 435 South 52nd Street, Lincoln, Nebraska, 68510. Wow, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom home with ample space and thoughtful updates throughout. The property boasts brand new windows and a recently remodeled kitchen, complete with modern flooring and countertops. The main floor features a luxurious bathroom with a jacuzzi tub and shower, a spacious living room with a cozy fireplace as its centerpiece, and a large private deck accessible through sliding glass doors. The basement offers a generously sized primary bedroom with 2 walk-in closets and an additional bathroom. Upstairs, you'll find 2 more bedrooms, a versatile secondary living space, and a convenient half bathroom. Situated on a massive 0.43 acre lot, this property offers privacy and room to roam, with an extended backyard thanks to no neighboring 51st Street behind the lot. Car enthusiasts will love the 860 square foot for-stall garage, which features separate metering, tall ceilings perfect for car lift, and all-new concrete poured in 2023. Don't miss your chance to make it yours.